Hi, I'm Reece from Heamar, and today I'm going to demonstrate the Sylade 7H laser stripper. The benefits of this is it will guarantee no nicking or scraping of the conductor. Really easy setup. So as you can see, it's on a balancer. It's as easy as press the trigger, slide it in. When the bleed comes out, then as you can see, there's a little strip here. You flex it to crack. And it pulls off. So now you have your inners already. The twisted pair is a really difficult wire to strip, and this solves all problems with that. It's fast, efficient, the laser can last up to 10 years, and you can go up to 300mm in strip length. You can also do window strips, and it can be flexible to your needs.